Meet the new EclExpo Flood300FC. This full-color, high-power LED floodlight is designed to take your exhibitions and cycloramas to the next level, providing a high-quality LED replacement for traditional tungsten, CDM or HMI asymmetric floods. Featuring a Spektra calibrated 300-watt RGB warm white LED source, the EclExpo Flood300FC ensures high-quality white and advanced control, allowing you to easily create a stunning display. This unit boasts a wide asymmetric beam angle of indirect light emission, perfect for showcasing a product, illuminating a small cyclorama, or creating an immersive atmosphere. Elevate your lighting with the EclExpo Flood300FC.